I got something really cool to show you today, so come and check this out. This is the brand new Telesin Street Grip Kit for the Osmo Action 5 Pro. And yes, Telesin did send this over for me to check out and to take it on an upcoming trip to Japan to shoot some cool content with. But no, this is not a sponsored video. But thank you to Telesin for sending this over and trusting me with this review. Let's get this baby open and set up so you can see what is inside the box. All right, so here it is. It's really nice packaging. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Get my handy dandy little razor blade over here. So inside, you're going to get, of course, the actual cage itself. And this guy is solid metal. Super nice. You're going to see a little switch here that you use to open and close it. That gets it on. This will be your trigger button. You have a cold shoe. They actually labeled it cold shoe right there so you can get it in. Minimal branding, not too bad. You have a 1/4-20 that has locating pin holes on the side there, which is cool. This should fit directly to any of the DJI clamp grips that come standard. And I believe I packed all of mine in my suitcase already because I'm getting ready to go. So that covers that. And then, of course, you have a nice little book for documentation. I will definitely have to get the PDF from online because my eyes are way too old to see that. And then inside here, you have the top grip, which is actually kind of cool. I like that it has this little springy action right here. And so what that's going to allow you to do is get a little bit more remote once you have the handle on. So when you put the handle on, this will hit the trigger button, as you can see a little bit. Let's get the camera to focus. So now when you're hitting that, it pushes the trigger button for you. And you see inside here, I don't know if you can see that. That's kind of hard to see. See the button moves right here? All right, so that's cool. That's going to give you a little extra grip there. And then, of course, you can just take this baby out. Super nice. Then in here, you also have a lanyard to make it easy to attach to your wrists. I normally find my hands are too big for these things, but let's check it out. This one's cool. You have a slider where you can adjust how much space you need. And actually, this one fits easily. Big ups to Telesin for hooking it up correctly because I can get my hand in there. I swear, so many of these guys, my hand can't get in easily. I like this. This is great. Similar to the one that came with the Master Grip. This one is of a decent size, easy for me to get my hand in and out. So big ups to them for coming through with a decent size lanyard. Really, really annoying when they give you the small lanyards. Let's get this baby out. And this, my friend, is the grip. That's cool. That's really cool. Yeah, build quality, again, solid metal. You have a nice screw action right here. You have a secret hidey hole for the key so that, I mean, you don't need a key. You can use a coin or whatever, but it's nice when they include that so you don't have to go hunting these kind of things down. And this will just go on directly. So that is it for what's in the box. Let's get it set up. First thing I'm going to do is take off the default cage from DJI, which honestly enough, I always thought it was weird. This cage is actually kind of not easy to on and off. And I don't know why DJI did that, but hey, they know what they're doing. So let's undo the unlock here and then slide the old cameration inside. Oh, nice. There's some actual little, yes, there's some rubber in places. It's kind of hard to see with my fingers in the way. There's some rubber pads in places that will provide some shock protection. And it also makes it feel good when you slide it in. Sorry, that did not come out as good as I wanted that to sound. Let's put it there. And so easy fit. It fits nicely. Nice metal attachments there. A little bit more safe and secure. Sorry, I am a fingerprint hater in the worst way. Maybe it comes from my criminal tendencies. I'm not sure. Let's put this guy here. And then you would use the built-in secret key here to get them twirled up. I like the fact that they give you locating pins. So that way you don't have to, fight too much about getting it lined up. It kind of lines itself up. This is cool. There you go. Give it a nice little cinch. Don't over tighten it, but make it, solid. Pop the little guy back in so that you're safe there. And then all you need to do is put on the top and slide it in. And then boom, now we're cooking with Pam. So you have a nice, oh, I like this. I like this. It feels good in the hand. Oh, I just turned the camera on, so you know it works. Look at that. It's already starting to record. Let me stop that. That is good. That feels phenomenal. It fits right in the hand. Put this guy in the picture mode. And then now I can go out and shoot images. Man, this build quality is sick. It does feel much, much better in the hand. I like the fact that you can easily get in here and press this button down. Can you get, oh my God, they did. Yo, guys, listen. Because, of course, if you want to get the key out without going through the hassle of taking the whole thing apart, these guys are so smart. If you press here, you can stick your finger in there and you can get the key out so that you can take the grip off. Come on. These guys thought of everything. Of course, and it just jumps back in place because it's magnetic. Yo, I like this. I actually really, really like this. This is super cool. Pop the lanyard on there, and then you got yourself a good to go setup. Now, also here on the bottom, there is a place to add, quarter 20. So you can add another quarter 20 there. And then, of course, the lanyard would go here. All of your DJI grips will still fit in there. And I wish I hadn't packed everything so I could show you that. But this is legit. Well, I'm going to take this guy with me to Japan, and I will be showing you much, much more once I'm out in the street and shooting, and we'll see what kind of cool pictures one can take with the DJI Osmo Action 5 and the brand new Telesin Street Grip Action Kit for Osmo Action. A couple other things I wanted to note right away is you still have access to the charging and SD card slot. You still have access to your quick button. The speakers are unencumbered, so you can hear. You can still get here and easily change the filter without taking the cage off. And yeah, it just feels good in the hand. Right now, the Street Grip Kit does work for the Osmo Action 3, 4, and 5. I am absolutely positive that they're probably working on something for the Osmo Action 6, but we'll talk about that when we get to there. And coming up in another video soon, so stick around. I got some more updates for this Master Grip, which we'll get into at a later date. But thank you once again to Telesin for sending me this out. I'll put all the links in the description if you want to go and get something really nice for your Osmo Action cameras. You know what I say? I don't know who need to hear this, but if it's you, let me know in the comments section below. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with it.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.